Nobody talks about the difference between how the oldest child gets punished versus the youngest. Because if you're the oldest and you misbehave, you're basically getting put in a max security prison. Your parents ain't letting you do anything. No phone, no hanging out with friends, no air. I remember one time when my older brother got in trouble, my mom said he was grounded until he was 18. He was 12 when this happened, by the way. But for the youngest children, it's completely different. Because I'm the youngest sibling in my family, and whenever I would do something wrong, my mom would be like, "That's it, give me your phone, I'm taking it away. Okay, now you can have it back." Like if I ever got in trouble, all I had to do was be like, "Mom, can I please not be in trouble anymore?" And she would just be like, "Okay, fine." Getting in trouble as the youngest child is like that one scene in SpongeBob where they go to jail for half a second and then they get let out. It's not even real.